Kaporo wane mago mag siasa duonda bura mar National Liberal Party NLP oseoduondo od buche madonge pacho kae magikoni nitiere kod paro moko mopondo manyalo rocho yiera dundo matarik 27 dwe mar 11 higani. Jatend duond bura no Augustus Muli seche mano ochiwo tiko ne jochung' mag NLP e yiero madundo madhi time kuonde chung' od buche ma Kasipul, Logunja, ward mak Mumbuni North kod Kariobangi North. Owacho ni gimathoth duond buchego temo keto hinga ne jochung' mag NLP gino makoro luwo ni thiro demokrasia e thur kae. Oyango ni duond bura mar NLP pod ochung' motegno ka gidhi nyime tiyo kaluwore kod chik kendo timo campaign madwarore.
Iliita vyama zote kukutana nao, especially in regards to 2027 elections and the upcoming by-elections. Na all parties za PPLC, Political Parties Liaison Committee, zilikubali kwamba any party that is involved in malpractice, in violence, in illegalities must be banned from taking part in the elections. Na sisi kama chama, sisi kama National Liberal Party, we are the first party to show this example. Sisi ni chama ambayo hatuna violence. Watu wetu wamekaa vizuri, wamekubaliana vizuri, nominations zetu zimeenda free, fair and transparent.
We are competing against people who want to take the future of our people into their custody na wafanye vile wanataka. You just get to be ready, because if you are going to face any candidate from NLP, Mungu wahurumie, because we are not, asisi hatutawahurumia.
We want to promise the people of Kasipul, National Liberal Party and its membership and the leadership, we stand for peace and prosperity.
Moko moganda e kaunti ya Migori yuago medruok mar grube mag rawere ma itiyo godo